Hello my friends, welcome to our channel. Let's talk a little bit more about refusals. I know, well, nobody wants to hear about that, nobody wants to expect refusals. Everybody applies for immigration hoping for the best, of course, but you could hope for the best but prepare for the worst, right? Now, in terms of the refusal, Canadian immigration system is based on a justice principles. And these justice principles, which are guided, which immigration officers are guided by and abided by, they require immigration officers in certain cases issue so-called procedural fairness letter. What that means is that if an officer wants to refuse your application, if an officer wants to tell you that, look, I am about to reject your case, they have to give you that last chance or last stand. That last chance is typically formed as a letter, as an email, or as a mail, depending on circumstances, where an officer expresses his or her concerns with respect to the documents or your case and gives you the last chance to respond to these concerns. Usually you're given a certain amount of time, give or take it's 30 days depending on circumstances, and if and only if you receive this letter, please, for God's sake, do not waste your time. Do not respond before consulting with someone who knows what to do, okay? Do not rush to send an email to an immigration officer saying, no, sir, you don't understand me. That doesn't work, okay? Or you understood me absolutely wrong, this is what it is. No, that's not what immigration officers are looking for. As an example, so say immigration officer sends you an email saying, you know what, in my opinion, your reference letter from work does not look genuine, okay? And you're given 30 days to address my concerns. What 90% of applicants would do, they would send an email to a visa officer the same day or next day saying, you know what, my documents are genuine, you could ask Bob, Roger, Rajiv, or whatever. They are absolutely certain they would confirm that I am indeed working at that company. You know what, 99% you would be refused. If you want to rectify the situation, you have to address everything visa officer asked you. You have to explain why this document looks weird, if it actually looks weird, what happened with the document, who signed it, how to prove it, how to verify it. And in order to do that, I would strongly suggest, and don't take it wrong, I'm not promoting anybody's services, but I would strongly suggest that you seek for legal opinion and legal assistance, okay? You could come to us and speak to our representatives and make sure that you got the best you could take out of it, okay? Make sure that you got the person who works in immigration, who works with it professionally for years and years, and make sure that you are assisted. Do not do it yourself. This is your last, absolutely last chance to respond to officers' concern. Do not waste your time, do not waste your energy doing that. Now, please understand that this procedural fairness letter is not always given, not always in immigration cases, especially not given in temporary resident requests. If you want to deal with the refusals, with the previous rejections, if you want to rectify the situation, or you believe that you were refused for no reason, or there was no justice in your case, please send us an email. We will try to help you out, and we will try to deal with the case. And as I said, well, unfortunately, refusals happen. Unfortunately, it's not that pleasant, but we all have to be prepared for that and know what to do. Stay tuned with us and subscribe to the channel.